A secured credit card is an alternative to a traditional credit card that makes it easier for people with bad credit or no credit history to start building a credit score. A secured credit card is different from a regular credit card in that it requires a security deposit to open the account. For many people, getting a secured credit card is the first step toward getting their credit under control. They are a vital resource for people who need a second chance with their money or don't have a long credit history. Does that sound like the credit card you should get? Read on to find out how a secured credit card works, how to get one, and how it differs from a regular credit card. What's a secured credit card? When you open an account for a secured credit card, you have to put down a cash deposit as collateral. The deposit is a way for the credit card company to protect itself in case you can't make your payments or don't pay back your balance. You can expect your credit score to go up if you use your secured credit in a responsible way. If you have good credit, the company that gave you this secured credit card may let you switch to an unsecured credit card. If not, you can apply for a credit card somewhere else. A good secured credit card will usually have a low minimum deposit and be available to people with bad credit. Low down payment for a secured credit card. The amount of the opening deposit for a secured credit card can be different from one card issuer to the next. Most of the time, the deposit is equal to the amount of credit you have on that card. For example, if you put $500 down when you open a secured credit card account, your credit limit will also be $500. Bad credit? Get a secured credit card. The deposit lowers the risk for the credit card company. If you don't pay your bill, the issuer can take the money from your deposit to get their money back. This is a big part of why people with bad credit or no credit can get secured credit cards. Most of the time, people with bad credit can't get any other kind of credit card. How to get a credit card with a deposit? To get a secured credit card, the first thing you need to do is research the best card for your finances. After you choose a card, fill out an application and send it in. When you apply for a secured credit card, you'll need to give information about yourself and a bank account that can be linked to the card. The issuer will tell you how to make your security deposit once you've been approved. The main difference with a secured credit card application is that the security deposit will need your bank account and routing number. Once the issuer gets your security deposit and checks it over, they'll send you your new credit card in the mail. As part of the agreement, secured cards require borrowers to put up collateral. It's best to pay off your balance in full every month to avoid high interest rates or losing your deposit. How does a secured credit card work? A secured credit card can be a valuable tool in building your credit score if you spend responsibly and stay on top of payments. Here's how they work. Cardholders make an initial security deposit, then use their secured credit card on everyday purchases and monthly bills without exceeding their credit limit, usually equal to the security deposit amount. Most creditors report those on-time payments to credit bureaus, which can help boost the cardholder's score. That's why it's crucial that you pay off your secured card in full and on time each month. Eventually, with enough responsible usage, the cardholder may be able to graduate to an unsecured credit card. Building credit with a secured credit card. Secured credit cards can be a great starting point when you're trying to establish or repair your credit score. FICO credit scores, which are most often used by lenders, are based on 5 factors. Payment history, 35%. Credit utilization, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. Applications for new credit, 10%. Types of credit used, 10%. That's pretty straightforward. So how do you use a secured credit card to build or rebuild your score? It's all about your credit card habits. Adopting 2 specific best practices for using a credit card can be instrumental in improving your credit score. Pay your bill on time each month. Keep a low balance. Paying your bills on time each month accounts for 35% of your overall credit score. So this is the best way to build up a good credit history and demonstrate to the credit card issuer and credit bureaus that you are a responsible user. In addition to paying your bills on time, your credit utilization, your available credit compared to the credit you have used, is something to keep an eye on as well. Aiming to keep this ratio at 30% or less is a good goal, but staying under 10% is even better. Stick to these 2 habits with your secured credit card, and you might be able to qualify for a regular credit card in a few months. How to start building credit with Chime. Chime's Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card 1 is a secured credit card with no annual fee or interest that allows you to build your credit. Chime reports payments to major credit bureaus, so everyday purchases like gas, groceries, bills, and subscriptions can all count towards your credit score. Chime's Credit Builder card doesn't check your credit at application and has no minimum security deposit, so applying is easy. You can read through the screen on how to sign up for Chime Credit Builder, how to improve and grow Chime Credit Builder card.